keep getting the error reading from loaded packed store when playing Counter-Strike 2 on your computer? Well, no need to call tech support yet. In this video, I'll show how to fix this issue and get back to fragging. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Run CS2 as administrator. To do this, open up Steam, then go to your library. Next, right-click on Counter-Strike 2. Then hover over Manage and then select Browse Local Files. Now, open the game folder and then the bin folder. Next, go to the Win64 folder. Here you will find the CS2 executable. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then switch to the Compatibility tab. Now, tick the box that says Run this program as administrator. After that, click on Apply and then on OK to save these settings. Now, launch CS2 and see if that helped. Solution 2. Clear Steam download cache and cache. First, click on the system tray icon. Then right-click on the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. After that, right-click on the Steam shortcut from your desktop and select Open File Location from here. Now, scroll up and find the app cache folder. Then delete it. Now, open up Steam. Next, click on the Steam icon from the top left corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click on Downloads from the left side folder. Now hit the clear button next to Clear Download Cache. Then click on Confirm and Steam will restart. Now just go to your library and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Verify and repair CS2. To do this, first click on the system tray icon. Then right-click on Steam and select Exit Steam. Once it's done, open up the File Explorer. Then go to your C drive. After that, open up the Program Files x86 folder and then the Steam folder. Next, go to the User Data folder and then to the folder with the numbers. Now, from here, delete the 730 folder and close the window. Next, open up Steam. Then go to your library. After that, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 from the left side menu and select Properties. Next, click on Install Files from here. Now, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. And Steam would start verifying and repairing the game. After that, the issue should be gone. So that's how you fix the error reading from loaded pack store error in Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll hit back to you. Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll hit you back real soon. As always, thanks for watching.